Welcome to the Chairman television station, Wazobia 1 on top UHF channel 57, and this na the Ogbonge Politics discussion show. As it is hot, every weekday from 10 go reach 11 not on Christmas. Sake of say, all of the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigerian political boxing ring. We dey carry and can't drop them down. As the thing they come out, the plenty smoke. Can't give you the right to chook mouth on top. So that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. My name na Ezo Gochokwote. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I there with my brother when Sabi well I stay concerned the political matter. As it is hot.
Yes, in brother with Sabi well, name never still changing. Name now Unkubi. Welcome to today's edition of As It Is Hot. That political program with the information now with political activities where they happen for our Obodo, Nigeria. As usual, we get an interesting story for now today. We will say you call for concern. We also need to look into, to also investigate from our own end, and also at least open the phone line for now to also do it in chook on our own mouth. We can also hear our own angle of the story, and also hear our own opinion on top of the matter. Yes, I will also get another Ogbonge guest. Ogbonge guest. This one a regular, we call a regular guest, a regular customer. That is first class customer. I mean, he is always in for us. Enter we invite him in day for house now, and they will also join us for the discussion. The program now As It Is Hot.
Our Ogbonge visitor will not go waste time. We go introduce them. I go clear my throat because in a person when we say they know they introduce them anyhow. In be entrepreneur par excellence. That is to say, when it come to business, the kind sense when they carry the enter am, now something when we say even the ministers of finance, trade and investment supposed to come and collect tutorial for a hand. If we drop the first 11 of people when we say that they discuss politics for inside this country fairly, balanced and unbiased, he go captain them. Are they very sure? At the talk of no other, PG no reach to call. I go speak English. The political analyst that is seasoned. Ogagbola Oba. Ogagbola Oba, welcome to As It Is Hot.
Oh, now my name you mentioned.
Now your name I mention.
No, we don't get any Ogagbola Oba here.
No, because the way where you they paint them, the way where you they put garnish, the way where you they put pepper, salt. I don't know. Say God. I don't know. Say God done.
Ogagbola, you know, say now you be the 21st century Papa Olowo. You know, based on your swag, the cap and everything. Ogagbola, I'm gonna shake your hand. Make you no be like say we carry quarrel come because one we want discuss today. Now one when we say they come up plenty smoke. Our people went there for house. Everybody don't hear the breaking news when come out yesterday. And this one get to do with something when we say, for some months now, a lot of people from Nigeria, our ear don't stand up when they discuss this particular issue. News break say the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, in collaboration with the Department of State Security, DSS, they don't package some kind of people when they inside this Obodo, Nigeria. As it get to do with money when involve the money when we say people deep hand inside the pocket of Nigeria to take buy weapons for our soldier people. That now if you carry your calculator, pinch and do plus or minus, now about 2.1 billion US dollars. They talk say the money say then trace some kind things, enter some kind people account. And some of the people when we say this our security people carry say, okay, we can answer question. And we get the former governor of Sokoto State, Oga Atahiru Bafarawa. Information carry him say about 100 million naira. When we say they no think say he work for them, the thing they inside the account say they just want carry and making come explain how the money take come, because if they put 2 and 2 together, it be like say they connected with the money when they talk say they miss. And also High Chief Raymond Dokpesi, the chairman emeritus of that Communications PLC, they carry and say yes, so you self, you get some kind of money when we say we talk say we see inside your account to come answer some questions. About 22 other people now in there for inside the office of the EFCC when they carry say, oh yeah, make una come answer this question. Many Nigerians when they talk say, this action when we say our government don't carry, and Nigerians support them, but we go see transparency, we go see openness. And if they talk say you can't answer question, you know me say they talk say you dey guilty. Now for you to go clear them so that when people see you for road tomorrow, they no go do you yimu. Ogagbola go join us to discuss this matter, and you self when they house get the right to chook mouth for inside this discussion. Ogagbola, make we all swallow spit, because this talk once we start we no go stop am, because that talk when we say we'll continue to the talk they go. Now Oga Presido set up committee to look into the money when they talk say okay some people collect this money say they won't buy weapon we no see money we no see who give them the right to, who authorize, I go speak English, authorize, say make them deeper inside the pocket of the country, collect this money. Nobody dey very, very clear on that one. Now, it don't reach the level when we say we don't call people to come answer question. First and foremost, make we start like this. Wetin you reason this whole matter from? Which angle you dey see this matter from?
Na issue of fight against corruption. Some people wey no like the president. Some people wey no like APC. Feel say na politics. Say na people wey dey connected to the former government. Na in dem take pass. For the face of that argument, no be say that argument for in face get a leg. The only thing be say, if you dey investigate person wey deep hand take meat for inside soup, when that person no suppose to take meat for inside soup, na the people wey dey kitchen, na them you go
Ask a question.
na them you go. No be the person wey you know say you sleep inside the room. Because this pot soup, no dey waka go
Inside bedroom.
no get leg,
No get leg,
go
exactly.
bedroom. So the people wey dey for kitchen, that time wey meat,
Something miss.
na them be
Go
people
question.
wey dey for the past government or people wey support the past government or this thing. So, and if we want, Yoruba people go talk say, the day wey madman look mirror, when he see say him head scatter, he no dey clean. Na that day, na him God wan dey heal am small small.
Exactly.
If we wan make corruption,
Die, patapata.
make e no die patapata, no place for head wey corruption die patapata.
Exactly.
If we wan make corruption, make e leave us
For neck. For the jugular. Oyinbo dey call am jugular.
Oyinbo people go say jugular or stranglehold. Make e leave us small, make we still chance breathe. We must start from one position. And the position na some of the things wey we dey hear now. Because if Chukwudi, you say make I come talk to una here. If they come dey see say, Gbala Oba, e dey put like 100,000, 200,000, some people salary inside your account. E go be like say, you know, they invite me here because of
The truth when you dey come talk.
The truth wey they come talk na because you
alert
understand.
when they
So if somebody dey get 2 billion, 100 million, this no be chicken change. And you get 2 billion, we no see the thing where the 2 billion buy. Even if it's PR, because the man, we must remember, na chairman emeritus, where you as you talk, of a major media organization. 2 billion, no be say too much to do PR work. But label, for accounting, label is supposed to get in front of something.
Exactly.
2 billion for the PR work that so organization they do for us against Boko Haram. It get value. If you fit into security there.
True.
You understand? But 2 billion plus no label. 100 billion plus no label. Anything for accounting wey no get label. Na in they call shady transaction.
Okay.
Even my teeth, shady transaction.
Shady transaction.
Oga Gbaloba, make I pick am up from where one of the things where you talk. Okay, then give you money to make you take buy something. We no see what you buy according to waiting the panel.
You don't even get label.
You don't get label. Okay, the panel don't come and talk. So okay, say going by waiting they talk. Say we no see waiting they take the money buy. But Oga Dasuki will be the way the Biobla say na in the whole matter full for him head. Don't come and talk. Say everything, every money where they do it, where they spend on top of that arm. That is say it was approved by the former president.
Yeah.
Which means, okay, if you can't come out now and talk say it was approved by the former president and then spend the money, and we no can't see the money, reflection of the money. Shall we talk say the former president no also play one part to also ensure or investigate to know whether that money, whether they properly spend them the way they're supposed to spend them.
My brother, Nkobi.
I know now 3 times don't come in now.
Omambe. You dey jump.
Kí mo tún say?
You dey jump. but no be say you dey jump like person wey craze.
Okay.
Your logic e get good foundation. But the reason why I no wan go join follow you jump because you are you are a smart young man. If me with my big belle and my old age follow you jump, I fit go collapse. So I no go follow you jump, that jump go jump. I don't say the jump no get sense. But the thing be this. I need to quickly put up one fact here where it is very important.
Okay.
Nkobi.
No, 3 times again. What is dying long?
Nkobi, they know they convict people for the pages of newspapers. So
Exactly.
this government must be very careful because one of the benefits wey bring Oga Buhari come be president na because we Nigerians believe say e go fit fight corruption. This particular set of cases and investigation wey dey go on, if in 6 months to 1 year e never turn to anything wey court wey our criminal courts don make tangible pronouncement on, e go boomerang o. So where me dey now, I go tell Oga Buhari say
Make it speedy up.
as much as I dey pray for am, because the thing wey we wan do, if you fit see am true, Nigeria go benefit from am.
Exactly.
And if Nigeria, if corruption, if we beat am, go down for Nigeria, make it not be as a giant wey im be now. If we beat am to a position where e no dey affect creativity, e no dey affect reward for innovation. True. People like us, intelligent people with drive, with entrepreneurial drive, we go do well.
Exactly.
But if after all these publications, they arrest this, they arrest that, that one na EFCC side. As I dey follow you talk, Nkobi, because now you bring this important matter, now you dey make me call your name. And I know the kind of emotions wey we share when this government, you know, say some of us, some people say don't they get mouth to the lambastor say we support Buhari, where we dey now. Now, if you know, say for apart from Dasuki, Bavarawa, Dokpesi, Yugudu, as I dey talk to you now, informate tell us say some senior ex-army generals dey detention. I don't want to mention name. About 20. If we calculate about 30 suspects now being investigated, Nkobi, in the next 1 year, may God let our public prosecutors do a good job. If ordinary 4 to 5 of this big weight go to jail based on good criminal prosecution, Buhari go come out benefit. But Buhari not be the prosecutor.
Exactly.
Buhari not be the investigator. Buhari not be the prosecutor. Buhari not be the judges. And we know say
Underground.
Shukudi.
Sir, now wisdom.
Shukudi. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ní gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run jẹ́ káyé gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run gba wisdom lọ́wọ́.
I think say once say Chukwu self dey.
No, he dey jump. He dey jump. No. Now because the two of them dey jump, na him dey make una get this position. No, say out of 170 million, people wey dey look for this position plenty.
There plenty.
Plenty. God no go let una wisdom come up. We know say because of the frustration. Oyinbo people go say because of the organic and endemic frustration wey dey the job wey investigators dey do, prosecutors dey do. You know, say instead of going the whole hog to do the right job, then they take their position settle. I go march go Babalowo house as the arresting officer. Put handcuff for hand. Come out with red EFCC.
Snap picture.
Snap picture. When we get EFCC, Babalowo go tell you.
How much do you want?
The one where una take before, where una dey go. I'm getting the best. Even you sef, when you hear the name of the lawyer, where they say he dey lobby.
Senior advocate.
But Oga Goloba, in this case now, she now about the lawyer or about true justice and make them investigate matter, make we see transparency. Going by the fact, say, we don't see some changes for the judiciary right now, and we don't also see some actions taken by people like EFCC under a new leadership, and we can also see some, you notice, say, this thing where they try fight against, we would see results. At least, because for us to see this level of this thing now, to tell say, work don't they go underground, work don't they take place.
Nkobi again. Optimism good. But sometimes optimism no dey dey too far from delusion. Una go help me interpret.
That is ego.
Sometimes e good make person dey think say na good go happen. Na good go happen because I serve a good God. But we know say na one thing to believe in a God that does good. Now, want you to relate with human beings that is the God that
reflects that same God, goodness from God.
That will capitalize on opportunity. We know, say many investigators, they take their position and extort money. And Yoruba people talk, say, Tenubaje, Ojuati. If you don't take something
Eyes go close.
Eyes go close. When they're supposed to write proper report for their investigation, they go write report where we say, prosecutors self no fee use. Even when they get to the level of prosecutors, we know say, make I give you one typical example where I give somewhere else. You reach court, when I sit down in front of judge, you know the place where judges, where barristers and lawyers they sit. When I sit down, the defense team come, 7 SANs. They for defense
they
team.
stash their gown, everything there.
Na sick with the gown. Your own na ekurete gown. Now, sit no reach. By the tradition of the bar, you, chief prosecutor, you go stand up for the SAN. SAN will not go stand, make you sit. That's safe, na intimidation. You don't see the power of money. So when you dey go out, as you dey drive your kelu, you go dey think, say,
why me?
Instead of make a just a blow grammar, maybe make a... So when the next case, the next day when case go, you go see the SAN where lead it, you go smile. You go smile, reach where your mouth supposed to this. Your caller say, that Balaba is a good boy. So you where we say government, they pay you maybe 500,000 naira per month. Somebody call you, they give you 5 million.
Okay, Balaba, where we don't talk this talk rich, we need to collect contribution. And this one, they come all the way from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga
Bobby.
Oga Gbolagba, good morning.
Abow and tremble. How Amsterdam today?
Amsterdam, they're beautiful, you know.
God
I let the
bless
weather here, they misbehave, you know.
Now winter time today, no verse.
Today's topic is very interesting, you know. We say, I don't the ginger this topic, I don't the campaign of you know, between me and my friends, you know, say about this weapon money. If I can take you guys back, you remember one time when we say we get money when South Africa sees, they go buy weapon from South Africa. I never see where they go buy weapon for market. A country they go buy weapon as if in a Boko Haram or na ISIS go carry cash. They go buy weapon. I never heard of that one before. It's transaction between banks and sheikhs. So that one is very monkey hand inside. So we'll clarify that one first. Then the solution to this problem is to fight corruption. Our AFCC and the judicial system, the AFCC, they investigate all the judges and the lawyers when they say they would fight when they prosecute them. They're able to check them check their account, because sometimes the cases when they say a person carry go court, then before you look, the person done with the case. So how you say they're not going to gather enough evidence to prosecute the person? You go just go say, okay, because he say, she say, he got evidence, and now prosecute these people there. So they investigate the lawyer, the judges, and everybody. Enable us to fight corruption, because this one would see so. This matter go die in a very, very, very funny way. Because that is how Nigeria cases always go. So we need to investigate the judges and the lawyers where they prosecute them, everybody, because something monkey hand they did this thing there.
Oga Bobby, this is your contribution.
$2.1 billion, not be naira.
Oga Bobby, this is your contribution. Now something we say we appreciate. I know say the money they fear you, even though you dey obodo outside Nigeria, where we say the money no be like say if you convert and it's in plenty. Oga Gbolaba, wetin you don talk?
The sense wey dey for Bobby contribution be this. The fight against corruption no go be the body language of the president alone.
Exactly.
We go marry the positive and revolutionary body language of the president. We go marry him to a system that will be. Make I give you a typical example. A day about time, make President Buhari constitute or make President Buhari allow, say, make NGO, some NGOs, where they in charge of policing and criminal issues. The case file of the officers where they investigate people like this, make those NGO, maybe after about 2 years, review it. How can somebody go to somebody's house? You say you arrested him. When you arrested him, you saw so this thing that was in the first statement. You saw so evidence, and by the third statement,
the evidence don't come be like say you don't.
For a place like England.
Oga Gbolaba, you go react to this thing. But we get Yusuf on the line. Yusuf, they call us from Lekki. Good morning, Yusuf.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yes, good morning.
Yes. I enjoy the program.
Thank you.
Thank you, Oga Yusuf.
So what I want to talk about this matter is make we say we should support President Buhari to fight this corruption. Make because if the President Buhari arrest, if the EFCC arrest anybody now we go to the shout say because of they for PDP, and make me do like that. Because of they for APC, because now PDP member now make us the shout say now make arrest them. Even in media people say, that's what they go to shout. Say because of they for APC, now make if they arrest anybody, make all of us join hands together and fight and support the president. So I go fight this corruption. You understand? So those people, they already finished this country. So we have to wake up.
Oga Yusuf, thank you very much for this your important contribution. Oga Gbolaba, we will allow you continue, but quickly we go rush enter inside this break. When we go this break, come back, we go enter the next level according to what Oga Gbolaba don drop. We go look everybody when they involved in this particular package and see the kind of role when they go play, so that we go know where we go begin the point hand when it be like say, what you supposed to do, do I'm not go anywhere and I still as it dey hot.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.